Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Windows. First, you'll need to acquire the game. You can choose between Minecraft, Java Edition or Bedrock Edition, both available for purchase and download directly from the official Minecraft website. Once downloaded, install the game launcher, log in with your Microsoft account, and ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. It's a straightforward process to get started on your adventure. Minecraft offers several exciting game modes to explore. Survival mode is where you gather resources, craft tools, and build shelters while fending off creatures. Creative mode provides unlimited blocks and the ability to fly, letting your imagination run wild with grand constructions. There's also adventure mode, designed for playing custom maps with unique rules, and spectator mode, which lets you observe worlds without interaction. Each mode offers a distinct way to experience the game. Mastering the basic controls is key to your Minecraft journey. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys to move, and your mouse to look around and interact with the world. Left-click to break blocks or attack enemies, and right-click to place blocks or use items. Pressing the E key opens your inventory, where you can manage your items and access the crafting grid to combine materials into new tools and structures. It's intuitive once you get the hang of it. Beyond single-player, Minecraft offers a vibrant multiplayer experience. You can join servers to play with friends, collaborate on builds, or engage in minigames with thousands of other players. Personalize your game by installing texture packs to change its appearance, or add player skins to express yourself. For even more depth, explore the vast modding community, which offers countless additions and new gameplay features to enhance your adventure. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.